Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can promote your Etsy shop, so let's get right into it. Now, I won't be showing you guys exactly how this is done. I'll just be making this video as sort of a discussion to give you some pointers, and there are a couple of different things I'd like to mention. Now, firstly, Etsy does have its own ads program, which you can freely use to promote your shop and your items, of course, to actually be able to sell them more effectively and efficiently. This is located in your shop manager. Just go to your ads section, set up a daily budget for your ads, and then put them into, play, and they'll promote your site for you. And that is pretty much the best way that you can use this. Now, alternatively, you can also set up your own custom Google ads, which go through Google, and that is a whole different process, which is a bit too complicated. So I can't show you guys right now because it is very, very extensive, but you just need to set up a Google Ads account and you should be good. However, that is pretty much mostly used for websites, and you can't really set up your own ads. However, you may be able to pay Google to put your own ads up. Now, other than that, what you can also do is, of course, connect it to your socials. Connect your Etsy account to your socials, such as Instagram and Facebook. Tag your items there, maybe even expand it into different marketplaces, both on Facebook and Instagram. If you connect on Instagram, I do know you can post your Etsy items on there. However, if you set up an Instagram business account, you can set up your Etsy items there and tag them, and pretty much just promote your shop in any way you can, using any ads, sort of visuals that you can, any posts, and that should help you tremendously. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.